lets us introduce the automated dust filter cleaning system. The idea mainly focuses on the split unit AC. Firstly, we would like to introduce the features of ADFC. 1. The dust filter to filter out particles or dust in the air. 2. The air filter is made into rotary design so that more filter sheets can be stored and replaced when required. 3. DC motor is used to rotate the roller to change the dust filter automatically. 4. BH1750 is the light intensity sensor used to detect the amount of light received after transmit through the dust filter. 5. IR sensor to detect the availability of filtering sheets. 6. The white LED sends light intensity to be received by BH1750 after passing through the dust filter. When BH1570 receives a low light intensity, it will activate the DC motor to replace a new dust filter automatically. Now, here we have a push button. It is pressed to start the operation by lighting up the white LEDs. BH1750 receives a low light intensity, 50 lux, thus activated DC motor to replace the filter. When ADFC is working with the last piece of filter, the red LED is to remind user that it is time to replace a new filter roll. Blink apps is used to control and monitor the condition of the dust filter in the AC. The same operation applies as controlled remotely. When the widget check button is pressed, the row of white LED lights up to check the dust accumulation by transmitting light intensity to be measured by BH1750. When it is lesser than 50 lux, DC motor is activated to change the dust filter automatically. The red LED triggered by IR sensor when the system is working on the last sheet of dust filter. Blink apps widget display is synced with hardware. The first widget shows the graph plot by measuring on the light intensity, which indirectly means the accumulation of dust. Practically, the graph reduces when time goes by. Second row display messages of AC actions to user, for example, replacing filter when the dust filter is replacing. The third row is the measured lux value, light indicators and check button. With ADFC, all of the problems will be solved. Low cost, simple maintenance, automatic and easy operation. User-friendly.